You know what, guys? I'm just gonna say to Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, the pro-Israeli wannabe and the pro-ISIS wannabe. You know, are you happy? You know what happened to Ali Khamenei? He was assassinated. He's fighting against terrorism and even ISIS. Same as Rodrigo Duterte. Paulo Cruzada, remember, the parents have been reprimanded you. If your parents died, who will taking care of you? Oh. It is not nice to bully anybody. Oh. You know, for me, aside of Teacher May, you need to apologize Teacher Evelyn Kaha. You know, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher Evelyn. Remember, I've been talk with the PCMC National Director's Office in the telephone. I say to them, Teacher Evelyn is already retired. Why does Teacher Evelyn is retired? She's early retirement. I know Teacher Evelyn is how old is she? Oh, she's older than Nanay Ningning. Oh, she's retired. I'm just saying, you remember Teacher Evelyn? She's also retired. Oh, I was told by Sir Paulo Cuwa, you know Paulo Cruzada, if Teacher Evelyn is a pro Duterte, oh, if Teacher Evelyn loves Vladimir Putin, she loves Ali Khamenei, she loves Xi Jinping, respect her own opinion. If Teacher Evelyn loves Hugo Chavez, Teacher Evelyn loves Fidel Castro, oh, she's a principal of the CDIFI. Why are you harassing Teacher Evelyn? You know, Paulo Cruzada, anyway, your mother, I've been reprimand you that you're saying about nonsense. I know you're a Marcos loyalist wannabe. I know you're a Netanyahu supporter wannabe. Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Teacher May. I mean, not Teacher May, I'm talking about Teacher Evelyn. Oh. Teacher Evelyn, kaka, she's your principal. I am just saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, the one thing I could say, oh, first of all, do not threaten to hostage Teacher Evelyn. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you're hurting anybody. First of all, you're messaging Dr. Mimian Bendaño in group chat in Messenger. You're saying about negatives at her all the time. I just want to say, Teacher Evelyn and Dr. Mimian Bendaño, they are retired. Oh, retirement. Oh, you know, they are not really retired. So, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher Evelyn. She's your principal. Me, I never want to make enemies with Teacher Evelyn. I know Teacher Evelyn supports Palestine. Oh, she's a principal. She's my good friend. Oh, me and Teacher Evelyn, we talk each other. What was we talk about the time? Rodrigo Duterte Sona. When I was there, and Teacher Evelyn said so. To me, did you watch Sona of Rodrigo Duterte? I just replied to Teacher Evelyn, yes, I watch Sona of Rodrigo Duterte. You know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to Teacher Evelyn. Your mother says to you, you didn't listen, you didn't care about your behavior. Teacher Evelyn, anyway, she's retired, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Teacher Evelyn. Oh, me and Teacher Evelyn and I, we're not enemies. We are friends. Oh, what you gonna say to yourself, Paulo Cruzada, the Marcos loyalist wannabe, and ISIS wannabe, Netanyahu supporter wannabe? Oh, and you want to be a Maute group wannabe? Oh, what is wrong with you? Oh, Do you really hate Ali Khamenei? Do you really hate Rodrigo Duterte to fight against terrorism like ISIS, Paulo Cruzada? Do you hate um, the war on drugs of Rodrigo Duterte? Do you hate the execution of criminals who were Iranians who convicted of rape? They have the death penalty. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop saying about rape joke, using illegal drugs. You know, in Iran, there's a death penalty of illegal drugs. Death penalty. Oh, drug trafficker. During the time of Ali Khamenei, he executed all the drug traffickers who were Iranians. Oh. Here in the Philippines, Oplan Tokang, they execute drug pushers. Even drug addict. I remember that Bill Galang said to me, oh, pusher ako, wag tularan. Oh. What is wrong with you, Paulo Cruzada? When you're using illegal drugs, when you rape somebody, when you rape Teacher Evelyn Caja and Lorraine Shook, what is your problem? Now you see, Paulo Cruzada, Teacher May, she doesn't like you. She doesn't want to forgive you. Why? Because that is your consequence. Oh, like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, remember, Paulo Cruzada, you have to stop what you're doing. Even you add Teacher JD in the group chat. You're harassing Teacher JD, the friend of Paulo Cuba. What if Teacher JD had reported to Rafa Soco and Sir Paulo Cuba pag nagsumbong yan si Teacher JD kay Rafa at ni Paulo Cuba? Oh, what will be happen to you, Paulo Cruzada? Teacher JD will sue against you. Oh, a libel. She will sue against you an Anti-Safe Space Act or bawal ng bastos. You know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Your mother is really ashamed at you. If I say again, Paulo Cruzada, if your parents had died, I'm just saying, I always know that you are being prepared too. From your family members, even your parents. If your parents have prepared to you, like I said, oh, pag namatay kami, like what was Mr. Kulas Cruzada said, pag namatay na kami, who will taking care of you, Paulo Cruzada? Sino ba alagaan sa iyo? Oh, sino ba buhay sa iyo? Like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, nobody. If Mrs. Marion Cruzada died, if Mr. Kulas Cruzada died, who will taking care of you, Paulo Cruzada? I am saying, oh, Teacher Evelyn is very angry at you for what you have done to all of us. You know, they're angry at you, Paulo Cruzada. Your family members, I'd say to you, you do not know what you're doing. I know you're a special child. Your mother said to you when she messaged Shania Kiana in Messenger, you know, Paulo Cruzada, do not arrest Teacher Evelyn. Teacher Evelyn is always carrying us like Teacher May. Oh, you know, Teacher Evelyn, she's always carrying us. She's just like Nanay Ningning. Teacher May is just like Ate Mirasol. They are caring at us. You know, Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, Why can't you go to Israel to join Israeli Defense Forces? If the Iran strike you a missile, you're going to die, Paulo Cruzada. Oh, mauna ka na mamatay, Paulo Cruzada. Eh, you're threatening to harass Teacher Evelyn and Teacher May. How dare you? You know, I will never going to say to you, Paulo Cruzada, J. Rick Silva was right. Matigas ang ulo mo kasi, Paulo Cruzada. Like what he said before, and what was Yvette said to me, matigas ang masakit kasi yung ulo mo, or malaki ang ulo mo, like I said. And in English we call it, you are very stubborn. You know, Paulo Cruzada, don't do that to Teacher Evelyn. Teacher Evelyn is already retired. If I want to say to you, Paulo Cruzada, watch a YouTube video of Teacher Evelyn when she was featured in ABS-CBN. And also the documentary in the CNN Philippines.